Hello everyone, this is grade 2, module 7, lesson 8, homework. And we see for our directions, it just says solve. So we're going to start with number 2. And it says, at her yard sale, Danielle got one $20 bill, 5 $1 bills last week. This week, she got 3 $10 bills, 3 $5 bills. What is the total amount she got for both weeks? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw these out, and I see I have one $20 bill, meaning it's worth $20, and 5 $1 bills, each worth $1. So I'm going to write that out. So I'm going to say week 1, and I'm going to put in my dollar amounts for week 1. And there's my amount there. I have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So week 1 had $25. Now I got to take a look at week 2. And she has 3 $10 bills and 3 $5 bills. So I'm going to draw those in. And now I'm going to go through and I'm going to count and see how many she had in the second week. So I have 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45. And the question says, what is the total amount she got for both weeks? And I can do that by doing 25 plus 45. Or I can count on, or I can use number discs or anything like that. But if I'm going to add these up, I like to show them vertically to help out. 5 and 5 make 10, and when I make 10 ones, I'm going to compose a 10 and bring it over. And I have 1 plus 2 is 3 plus 4 is 7. And I can't forget my units, which in this case is the dollar sign. So now let's take a look at question 3. And we see it says Patrick has 2 fewer, which means less, $10 bills than Brenna. Patrick has $64. How much money does Brenna have? So I'm going to do Patrick, and I'm going to do Brenna. And for this one, I'm going to draw myself a tape diagram. And I know that if I draw Patrick, he has 64, but it's two $10 fewer than Brenna. So what I want to do is I want to draw a tape the exact same size as Patrick's, because I know that that's 64, but she also has an additional amount of money. And the additional amount is 2 10s. And that's going to be $20. So now, how do I find out how much Brenna has? Well, I know she has 64. Because she had 2 10s more, so she has at least $64 plus the additional 2 10s. And that's going to give me 84. So Brenna has $84. Okay, let's go to page 2. And we're going to look at 5. And it says Alexis has $95. She has 2 more $5 bills, 5 more $1 bills, and 2 more $10 bills than Cassie. How much money does Cassie have? So we know Alexis has $95. And we know that Cassie has fewer because it says that Alexis has more, and these are all mores. So now we just got to figure out what that amount is in terms of how much more. So we're going to draw these out. So we have 2 5s, 5 1s, and 2 10s. So there's the money she has more of, and what I need to do is I have 5, 10 for my 5s, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for my 1s, and 10, 20 for my 10s. So if I add those up, I'll get 35 by doing 10 plus 20 is 30, plus another 5 is 35. Or I could just count what I drew in there for my numbers. So now I know that Cassie has $35 less. So in order for Cassie to have $95, Cassie needs 35 more. So if I take 35 away from 95, then I'll figure out what this piece equals. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 95 and I'll subtract 35 from it. So what I'm going to do is try to make a quick place value chart to put in some dots in. And there's my chart off to the left. I have 10s and 1s, and I have 9 dots to show my 9 10s and 5 dots to show my 5 1s. Now I need to subtract. So I'm going to take away 5 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm left with 0 in the 1s place. And then I have to take away 3 in the 10s place. 1, 2, 3. And I see that I still have 6 in the 10s. So that is how much money Cassie has. And we'll see our answer statement right there of Cassie has $60. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching, and good luck on the rest of your homework.